Good evening, everyone. It's Saturday, January 31st, and the national is grabbed by the high stake political drama, emergence, class, financial stock, and explodes document release. Here, what dominating the day. The Santi passed a funding bill letter yesterday to have Avatar a full government set down, but it's only Patel win the deal. Putin puts through decision on the Department of the Homeland Security DHS and ICE funding for 2 weeks. Press now shifts to the hours of the rare wigged vote. A short lapse in funding could still hit agents. Hard Democrat claim a victory on the blocking immediating ICE changed will Trump illegal pulls back hard. Massive nationwide protest against ICE operation continues, picked by a fatal shooting of Alex Pretty in a Minneapolis during a emergency enforcement action. Thousand Democrats demonstrated in Minnesota and other cities today, with some workout schools, stores closures, and a cord of the national strike. Journalist Don Lemon was arrested and later released. Will covering an anti-ICE church protest in Minnesota facing federal civil rights charge. Tension are asking sky high over Trump aggressive. Immigration pushed the Justice Department drop a massive troll over 3 million page of the documentary 2000 image and released the file of the Jeffy expecting investigation new relation including like the figure like Elon Musk emails award partying commerce security home like Lutnik and other marks relate gold silver price put pulling after month of the release. President Trump nominating Kevin Ward, a now infected hawk and the Fed critics of the replace German power well. As a federal release chair praises metal tank on the news, Trump also floated aggressive move like traffic on Canadian aircraft and other trade association. Protest and fallout the continue over ICE operation Metro Sugar. Cas- Castrian Giro Hara reportedly passed away. Tribatis put pros in from classmate. Miscellaneous Hadri recall Starbucks means menu teasers, masala skies immigration facility and more. For the Capitol Hill drinkmanship to the street protest and the historical documentary. Trump is feel like the pro till day in Trump's second term stay on as the House action on funding and protest Volby after back. That is the plus right now political imagination enforcement class and the expecting releasing the charge. If you want deeper detail on any part, let me know.